This Coldwell Banker Pacific Properties Waikele property video is presented by Lorraine Golden. Available October 1, absolutely gorgeous 4-bedroom 3-bathroom home on Coral Creek Golf Course in Ewa Gentry Coral Ridge. Well maintained with a large open floor plan. A full bedroom and bathroom on the main floor. Kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a huge pantry next to a large laundry room. A large carpeted master bedroom with a walk-in closet and 2 more spacious bedrooms. Professionally landscaped yard fitted with a sprinkler system. Minutes from schools, parks, shopping, restaurants, beaches and UH West Oahu. Pets considered on a case-by-case basis. Please text agent for showing at 808-745-4711 for more information. Review the details below.